Sixth problem from the practice set 2.2. 6x minus 2 by x is equal to 1. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Here again it is not in the standard form. Therefore first write this equation in the standard form of quadratic equation. Multiply by x. Multiply by x. What we get? 6x square minus 2 is equal to x. Write down this x here. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again look at here. This is a given equation. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Therefore the x is in the denominator. Multiply by x throughout the equation. 6x square minus 2 is equal to x. When we multiply this 2 upon x by x, this x get cancelled and only minus 2 is remaining. And when we multiply this 1 by x, we get x. And take this x, we get this statement. After that, multiply the 6 with minus 2. 6 into minus 2. What we get? We get minus 12. Then the coefficient of x is, that is, minus 1. Then find out such a number whose product is minus 12 and the addition or subtraction of the two numbers is minus 1. These two numbers is minus 2. Therefore minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 into plus 3, that is minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Therefore 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Take 2 as common, 2x as a common, because this 6 means 2 into 3 and this 4 means 2 into 2. Therefore take here 2 is there, there is 2. Therefore take 2x as a common. What is remaining? 3x minus 2. Here take 1 as common, because there is no common 3x and minus 2, therefore only 1 is a common. 3x minus 2 as it is equal to 0. Therefore in one bracket 3x minus 2, in another bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Take this minus to the right hand side. 3x is equal to 2. Take this 3 to the right hand side. X is equal to 2 by 3. Here similarly 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore this 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are the roots of the equation. Therefore we can write here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 are roots of equation. In this way you can solve this problem. The seventh problem is activity based problem. The equation is given: root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To find the roots of this equation, complete the activity. This is a seventh problem. This type of problem again for 2 marks, sometimes it is for 3 marks. Here the solution: root 2x square as it is. Here there are two boxes, plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Carefully, here we have to split this 7x. Therefore first multiply this root 2 with 5 root 2. When we multiply this root 2 into 5 root 2, 5 root 2. What we get? Root 2 into root 2, that is 2. 5 into 2, that is 10. Then find out such two numbers whose product is 10 and the middle term, the coefficient of middle term is 7. Therefore, find out the such numbers, that is 5 into 2. Their product is 10 and their addition is 7. Therefore, 5 and 2 are here the factors. Therefore, we can write 5x. You can write here 5x, or you can write here 2x. 2x plus 5x is equal to 5 root 2. Then here, this 2x means we can write root 2 into root 2. This 2 means root 2 into root 2. That is root 2 into root 2. That is root 4. That is 2. We can write in the another form. When we take x as a common, here write down as a 5x and here write down as a 2x. Here, when we find x as a common, then what we write here? Root 2 x plus 5. Here, this 2 means root 2 into root 2. When we take root 2 as a common, this root 2 and this root 2, what is remaining? X plus 5. Therefore, one root 2 is remaining, root 2x plus, here we can write the 5. Then here plus sign is there, root 2x plus 5 in one bracket, root 2x plus 5, and another bracket remaining elements x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Then we can write here x plus root 2 is equal to 0. And here we can write root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Take this 5 to the right hand side. Here it becomes minus 5. Take this root 2. It is minus 5 upon root 2. And here when we write this plus root 2 to the right side, we get minus root 2. Therefore, here minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are the roots of the equation. This is an activity based problem, and this problem required a lot of practice. Then you can solve easily. Then question number 8. In the question number 8, the equation is 3x square. This is also very important question. 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here multiply this 3 with this 2. What we get? 3 into 2, that is 6. Then find out such a two numbers whose product is 6 and their addition or subtraction is minus root 2 6. Therefore, 3x minus 2 root 6x is plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. And 3 into 2, that is 6, the product of these two. Then here what we can write? We can write minus root 6 minus root 6. When we multiply these two, we get 6, and when we add these two, we get minus 2 root 6. That is, we get here minus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6. We get here. Therefore, we can write here 3x square minus root 6 minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then here we can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3 x square. Here we can write root 3 into root 2x root 6x. Here we can again write root 3 into root 2x, and here this 2 we can write root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. Carefully observe this and find out the common elements. Root 3 is common, x is common. What is the remaining? Root 3x and this root 2. Then here what we can write, this root 3, what is common here? Root 2 is common, root 2 is common, and what is remaining? Root 3x and this root 2 is equal to 0. Then here there is a minus sign at the left hand side, root 3x minus root 2, and the right side root 3x. Here there is a sign minus sign because minus is outside the bracket, minus sign is outside the bracket. Therefore in the bracket the opposite sign of the previous statement, that is minus here. Therefore take root 3x minus root 2 in one bracket and another root 3x minus root 2 in another bracket is equal to 0. Here in the both bracket the elements are same, therefore write at one time only root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, and here we can write root 3x is equal to root 2, and here we can write root 2 upon root 3, that is root 2 upon 3, and this is the solution of the equation. Therefore lastly we can write root 2 upon 3 is the solution of the equation. Here we can write root 2 upon 3 is solution. This is the root 2 upon 3 is the solution of the equation. This is the 8th problem from the practice set 2.2. Then the 9th problem. In the 9th problem, 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. This is also very simple problem. First multiply with the bracket 2m square minus 48 m. When we write plus 50 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 50 is equal to 0. Then multiply this. Minus 50 into 2, 2 into minus 50, and that is minus 100, and here minus 48. There is another way to solve the same problem, because this 2 minus 48 minus 50 all are multiple of 2. Therefore instead of this we divide throughout the equation by 2. What we get? We get m square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to, that is we get the simple equation. then the coefficient is 1. Therefore, find out two such a numbers whose product is minus 25 and their addition or subtraction is minus 24. Therefore, we can write minus 25 and 1. Minus 25 into 1, that is minus 25, the product of these two. And there here minus 25 plus 1, that is minus 24. Therefore, we can write m square minus 25m minus plus m minus 25 is equal to 0. Take m as common, m minus 25. Take plus 1 as a common, m minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, in one bracket m minus 25, in another bracket m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write m minus 25 is equal to 0, or here we can write m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to, take this minus 25 to the right hand side, plus 25, plus 1, when we write it to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Therefore, 25 and minus 1 are roots of the equation, This is a question, problem number 9 from the practice set 2.4. Then 10th problem. Then 25 m square is equal to 9. This is a very simple problem. Here in this problem, take the square root on both sides. What we get? We get 5m. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of m square, that is m, is equal to plus minus square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, m is equal to plus minus 3 upon 5. That is values of m minus 3 upon 5, or m is equal to 3 upon 5. These are the roots. Therefore, we can write minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are roots of equation. This is a very simple problem. Only taking the square root on both sides, we get the solution of this problem. Then 11th problem. This is also very simple. 11th, 7m square is equal to 21m. 7m square is equal to 21m. Again here, write down this 21 to the 21m to the left hand, because this is not a perfect square. Therefore, we can write 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Take 7m as common. What we get? M minus 7 3s are 21 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write 7m is equal to 0, or m minus 3 is equal to 0. The m is equal to 3, and here we get m is equal to 0. Therefore, 0, 3 are roots of equation. This is the 11th problem. Then the last problem from this practice set, and here m square minus 11 is equal to 0. 12th problem. This is also very simple. M square minus 11 is equal to 0.